Definition. Prepositions are small words that show the relationship between nouns or pronouns and other words in a sentence. Commonly used prepositions in English: in, on, at, by, for, with, of, from, to, into, onto, among, between, across, through. These prepositions are frequently used to indicate various relationships, such as location, time, direction, possession, and more, in sentences. Examples: in, book is in the bag. On, keys are on the table. At, she is waiting at the bus stop. By, he sat by the window. For, they bought flowers for their mother. With, I'm having lunch with my friend. Of, the color of the sky is blue. From, she received a gift from her sister. To, we're going to the beach tomorrow. Into, he walked into the room. Onto, the cat jumped onto the chair. Among, he found his book among the stack of papers. Between, the ball is between the two trees. Across, she swam across the river. Through, the sunlight shines through the window. To avoid these mistakes, it's helpful to study common prepositional phrases, understand their meanings and usage contexts, and practice through reading and writing.